Hello, this is Rory with the Love Chat, and today's topic is the number one warning sign. Now, this is video number 193. If you have a question you'd like for me to consider featuring on the Love Chat, please write it in a comment below, and if you enjoy my videos, I would be so very grateful if you'd subscribe and hit like, so thank you for supporting my channel in that way. Additionally, if you'd like Skype coaching or email coaching, just visit my website, thelovechat.net/coaching. Now then, let's talk about the number one warning sign that your relationship may be coming to an end and what to do if you see it. So, you all know me here. We're very no bullshit. The number one warning sign that your relationship is about to end is sex stops. Intimacy stops. Your partner doesn't want to spend time with you, intimately speaking. Kissing becomes a chore for them, and you can kind of feel that their heart isn't in it. But the number one unmistakable thing that you need to look for, and if you see this sign, you must begin to change your behaviors, is sex. If your partner doesn't want to have sex with you, or always seems to not be feeling well, or always seems to be too tired, don't rationalize. They are thinking that they're not happy in the relationship. That is 99% of the time that's the case. Now, a lot of the time, what we tend to do is we'll see situations where our partner maybe doesn't want to have as much sex as they used to, or maybe it's at least dwindling down, and you might say something to yourself like, well, they just got a new job. I'm sure they're stressed. Well, their mother has really been giving them a hard time about this or that. Or, I don't know, maybe I've been too pushy with sex and maybe I need to respect them more. And while it is good that you're trying to be open-minded and look for other factors, if sex stops for longer than a period of months, or even a month, and medicine is not to blame, such as hormonal-based medicine, birth control, things like that, or another medical condition, then you're in trouble. So if you're in this situation and you're not sure what to do, stop, breathe, back away. Now, I do not want you to back away manipulatively. Rather, you're going to back away, reassess, take some time, and these things will help you assess yourself and say, have I been too available? Let me sit and think about some of the comments they've been making. Have they been passive-aggressive towards me? Have they been saying, gee, you're always home? Or have they been saying, wow, you never go out with your friends? Or, man, they've actually been really passive-aggressive to me lately and bitchy. If you're seeing this, this means that your partner is beginning to lose attraction for you, but perhaps it's not too late. You should back away, get busy with yourself, get busy with your plans and your friends. They're trying to communicate something to you by withholding sex. That is that they are not currently feeling attracted to you. And now some people would suggest, well, why don't we just ask them, right? An honest and open conversation. And yes, I am all for honesty. I am all for openness, but the person has to be receptive, and the likelihood that they are receptive if they've been withholding sex for possibly even months is not good. So, yes, the conversation should happen, but it should not happen during a time where you will be fearful, because it will very easily escalate into an argument, and in that case, nobody will feel attracted, and both people walking away feeling as though communication has not been working. That will be an extra boon against you, and one more thing in their mind, kind of facilitating the idea that a breakup should happen, right? Well, we're not having sex, I'm not really feeling attracted to this person, we're fighting all the time. So instead, back away. Remember that you may be too close to your partner right now. They may be getting too much of you, and we know that a healthy amount of space in a relationship helps it grow. Distance is fertilizer for a relationship, and like fertilizer for plants, you need to use it sparingly, but it does need to exist. Remember that the self-love and the self-work should still be taking place during a relationship. It is a lifelong pursuit. That, and above all else, do not panic. Do not ask passive questions such as, hey, I noticed that, you've seemed kind of down lately, or I noticed that we haven't had sex lately. Those types of questions are just going to tell your partner that you're feeling anxious at the moment, and that will lower their attraction during a time where we want them to feel that if you're backing away, they need to do a little chasing to keep you. Remember, it should be a balance. And I need to be clear that communication is key, but it needs to be done in the correct way and after your partner is receptive. We must assume that during a time where they're trying to withhold sex from you, they're probably not receptive. In fact, this is how they're communicating to you that they might be upset with you. So rather than getting hurt about it, rather than causing more problems about it, back away, focus on you. You're still there, you're still present, but you're spending less time with them. You're less available, you're busier. They have some extra time to miss you. You're not home as much. You're a little less active on social media. They're wondering what's up, what's with the sudden change in behavior. But they're not wondering if you're mad at them. They're just wondering what caused the sudden change. That's okay. So take your time, because you can do this. That's all I had for today. If you found my video helpful, I'd be very grateful if you'd subscribe and hit like to help my channel out. Please leave a comment below and tell me what type of videos you want to see in the future. Additionally, if you'd like extra videos every week, private live streams with me, and free giveaways of my best-selling book on Amazon, just visit my Patreon, patreon.com/thelovechat. Until next time.